I've always loved the idea of being what you would call a handyman. In fact, there was a time in my life when I wanted to become an artist. At one point, I wanted to become an astronaut, and sometime later, I wanted to become an architect. But obviously, I did not get to become any of those things. But one thing that stuck with me is the fact that I love creating things with my hands. I love solving problems. I love bringing things to life. And the closest I've found to becoming one of those things or bringing that creative side of me to life is 3D printing, and that's exactly why I just purchased my first 3D printer, which is the Bambu Lab A1 Combo. I got the Bambu Lab A1 Combo, which is the 3D printer plus the AMS, and this also comes with a LED lamp kit. I got it from Amazon and it cost me about $420. This video is going to be the beginning of my 3D printing journey, and in this video we're going to unbox the 3D printer, set it up, and even attempt my first ever 3D print. Let's dive right in. Alright, so finally set up the 3D printer and we have our first print. But before I go, let me just give you guys a brief tour of my 3D printing corner. Let's go. Now, at least we figured out the easiest part of 3D printing. It's now time for me to get back to the drawing board, learn some basics, or let me say the more complicated parts, and then attempt something more difficult than just this toy boat. Let me know what you guys think about this 3D printer in the comment section. And if there's anything you would love me to try printing or any suggestions you have, let me know in the comment section. See you guys on the next one. Cheers.